Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy flower coaster. I am using a 1.75mm steel crochet hook and a thin 3-ply crystal yarn. First of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring of chain. Now we will start our first round. So for the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is called our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3 including first 3 chains. Make double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and in this way we would make 10 more double crochet stitches, total of 16 into this ring. So I have made 16 double crochet stitches here including first 3 chains. Now we would make a slip stitch into the third chain and we would start our working. First round is completed. Make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet here also. Then make chain 1 and in the next double crochet stitch we would make a double crochet. Sorry, I have skipped third chain. I have made a slip stitch into the second chain. So we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Here we would count the chains and we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. And now we would start working by making 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Then we would make chain 1 and we would make a double crochet into the very next chain after chain 3. In the very next stitch, after chain 3, make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Without skipping any stitch, make chain 1 and a double crochet in every double crochet stitch of first round and complete this round till the end. Now in the end, make chain 1, make a slip stitch into the third chain, then make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space because we have to work into this chain 1 space. Make 3 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this chain 1 space, draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through 2 and leave the other 2. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2. These are 2 unfinished double crochet stitches and we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. Make chain 1 and then chain 2. Go into the next chain 1 space. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops. This is unfinished double crochet 1. Then make unfinished double crochet 2 and unfinished double crochet 3. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all 4 loops together. Then make 2 chains. Go into the next chain 2 space. and then make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. Finish them together to make a double crochet cluster or double crochet 3 together. In the last, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch at the top of this first cluster stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Then make double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. After making 4 double crochet stitches, we would work into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. Repeat this process till the end. Make 4 double crochet stitches in every chain 2 space. In the last, make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Now we would make our final round. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 3. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now we would skip first double crochet here after chain 3 and into the second one we would start our working. Make unfinished double crochet 1, unfinished double crochet 2 and then unfinished double crochet 3. Finish them together by pulling the yarn through our loops. Make 3 chains, skip 1 stitch again, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a single crochet into it like this. Chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Skip 1 stitch, go into the second one, make a cluster stitch of 3 double crochet stitches or double crochet 3 together. Then make 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, go into the next one, make a single crochet stitch into it. We would skip 1 stitch and work in the second stitch even we are making single crochet or cluster stitch. So repeat this process till the end of this round. And now in the end, here make 3 chains after this cluster stitch and we would make a single crochet stitch and we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of tapestry needle, weave this yarn end at the back side of this coaster. First of all, pull the needle through 1 or 2 stitches of first round, then into second round and then into the third round like this, and then cut it. And our coaster is ready. I hope you guys like it. Give it big thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.